Hey there, viewers! Welcome back to Health for You, your favorite place for natural beauty tips and wellness recipes that truly work. Today, we're diving into something magical, a natural elixir of youth. This easy homemade remedy can help tighten your skin, fade fine lines, and make your face glow, all without expensive creams or chemicals. So stay tuned till the end, because I'll be sharing not just one, but 3 powerful anti-aging recipes you can make right in your kitchen. Let's start with the star ingredient of today's beauty treatment, parsley. You may know it as a simple kitchen herb used to garnish your meals, but few realize that parsley is a powerhouse of antioxidants and vitamins that fight the visible signs of aging. Parsley is rich in vitamin C, vitamin K, and beta-carotene, which all help in collagen production. That's the protein that keeps your skin plump, firm, and elastic. Collagen levels naturally decrease as we age, leading to sagging skin and wrinkles. But don't worry. This little green herb can help turn back the clock. To begin, take a small bunch of fresh parsley. Wash it thoroughly under running water to remove any dirt or impurities. Next, pat it dry gently with a paper towel. Then chop it into small pieces. This helps release all its beneficial oils and nutrients. Now, grab a small pot and pour in about 300 milliliters of water. That's roughly 1 1/4 cups. Add your chopped parsley and bring it to a gentle boil. Let it simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes on low heat. This process allows all the antioxidants and essential nutrients to infuse into the water, creating a herbal tonic for your skin. After boiling, strain the liquid through a fine sieve to remove the leaves. Let it cool a bit. Now add 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Rich in vitamin C and citric acid, lemon juice is known to stimulate collagen, brighten the skin, and reduce dark spots. Mix it well, and voila! Your first beauty potion is ready. This parsley lemon tonic can be used as a natural facial lotion or toner. Dip a cotton pad into the liquid and gently wipe your face and neck every morning and evening. It helps to remove impurities, tighten the skin, and make it glow. You can store this elixir in the refrigerator at about 5 degrees C, 41 degrees, for up to 7 days. Use it consistently, and you'll notice your skin becoming firmer and smoother with every passing day. Now that your skin is refreshed, let's move to something even more exciting. A natural peeling mask that removes dead skin cells, brightens your complexion, and fades dark spots. Start again with a handful of parsley. Chop it finely, and this time, add about 100 milliliters of milk. That's less than half a cup. Milk contains lactic acid, a natural exfoliant that helps to gently remove dead skin cells and reveal a smoother, softer layer underneath. In ancient Egypt, even Queen Cleopatra was known to bathe in milk to maintain her youthful, radiant skin. So you know this ingredient has stood the test of time. Blend the parsley and milk together in a blender until you get a smooth, greenish mixture. Then strain it through a sieve to remove any bits of leaf. Now it's time to add some sweetness. Add 1 tablespoon of honey, a natural humectant packed with antioxidants that help slow down aging, reduce wrinkles, and deeply moisturize the skin. Then add half a tablespoon of flaxseed oil, also known as linseed oil. Flaxseed oil is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which nourish, hydrate, and improve skin elasticity. Mix all these ingredients well until you have a creamy, luxurious texture. Apply this mixture evenly on your face, neck, and even your chest if you'd like. Gently massage the skin using circular motions for about 3 to 5 minutes. This boosts blood circulation, helping nutrients penetrate deeper into your skin layers. After massaging, leave it on for a few more minutes to let the ingredients work their magic, then rinse with warm water. Immediately, your skin will feel softer, smoother, and more radiant. Ready for round 3? Now we'll make a rejuvenating face mask that targets wrinkles, age spots, and enlarged pores, perfect for oily or combination skin. In a small bowl, take 4 tablespoons of your parsley juice. You can use the tonic you made earlier. Add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is famous for its ability to boost collagen, tighten the skin, and soothe irritation. It's cooling, healing, and deeply moisturizing, perfect for calming the skin after exfoliation. Next, add 8 drops of tea tree oil. This essential oil is known for its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. It helps shrink pores, control excess oil, and keep your skin clear. Mix everything together until it forms a smooth, light, gel-like texture. Apply this mask evenly on your clean face and let it sit for 30 minutes. Relax, take a deep breath, maybe put on some soft music. After 30 minutes, rinse your face with warm water and pat dry. Follow up with your favorite moisturizer to lock in hydration. You can keep this mask in the fridge for up to 7 days. It stays fresh and cooling, making it perfect for daily use. And finally, we have a deeply nourishing and hydrating mask that improves skin texture and brings back that youthful glow. In a small pot, pour 50 milliliters of parsley milk mixture and 100 milliliters of parsley infusion. You can reuse what's left from earlier. Now, add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Cornstarch might sound like a kitchen basic, but in skincare, it's a hidden gem. It helps smooth the skin, reduce the appearance of wrinkles, and gives your face a silky, matte finish. Cook the mixture over low heat, stirring continuously until it thickens to a creamy consistency. Once it's slightly cooled down, add 1 tablespoon of almond oil. Almond oil is packed with vitamin E and A, which deeply moisturize, soften, and protect your skin barrier. It's particularly great for dry, tired, or sensitive skin. Mix everything together until smooth. Apply this mask to your clean face and leave it on for about 20 minutes. As it dries, it will gently tighten your skin and lock in moisture. Rinse off with warm water and pat dry. Your skin will feel hydrated, smooth, and supple, with a beautiful youthful glow. Store the remaining mask in the refrigerator for 7 to 10 days. How often should you use these treatments? For best results, you can use the parsley lemon tonic every morning and evening. Apply the peeling mask twice a week. Use the aloe tea tree mask 3 times a week. Try the cornstarch almond mask once or twice a week for deep nourishment. Remember, natural skincare takes patience and consistency. It won't transform your skin overnight, but with regular use, you'll begin to see visible results: smoother texture, fewer wrinkles, and a healthy, youthful glow. Final thoughts: your natural path to youthful skin. So there you have it. 4 simple, natural recipes that together form your very own elixir of youth. No harsh chemicals, no expensive products, just the gifts of nature working in harmony with your skin. Parsley detoxifies and brightens. Lemon and milk gently exfoliate. Honey and oils nourish deeply. Aloe and tea tree rejuvenate and balance. And the best part? You can create all of these in just a few minutes with ingredients already in your kitchen. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who love natural beauty and skincare. And of course, subscribe to Health for You for more natural remedies, anti-aging secrets, and wellness tips every week. Thanks for watching, and remember, your beauty starts with how you care for yourself today. Stay young, stay radiant, and see you in the next video.